In this video, I will show you how to install Miracast to your Android TV. This is a very easy process. If you find this video useful, subscribe to the YouTube channel for more important videos like this. So if you want to install the Miracast application to your Android TV, this is what you can do. We're going to be using this application called Downloader, which is an application that acts like an intermediary for your smart TV and anything you want. So if you want videos, files, APKs, Downloader can help you get this to your Android TV. So all you have to do is you check the description of this video. There is a link there that's going to help you get downloaded to your smart TV. So you're going to follow the link, and once you get downloaded to your smart TV, you go ahead and launch it. So we're going to be searching for that application Miracast, which is an application that helps you cast your phone to your smart TV. So if you don't have the application on your smart TV, this is how you can install it to your Android TV. So come back to the downloader here, and we're going to search for Miracast. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. So once you come to the keyword box and search for Miracast, we're going to click on Go, and downloader is going to show us how we can install it to our Android TV. And as you can see on my screen right now, here are the various options that you can use to install Miracast to your Android TV, and this option here is the best option. So just go ahead and click on that, and it's going to show you the install button that you can then click to install the application to your Android TV. If this video is useful to you, subscribe to your YouTube channel.